Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set alarm clock on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the analog clock widget or digital clock widget to proceed on alarm clock. And okay guys, here you can see below the alarm, word clock, stopwatch, and timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set alarm clock on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click alarm. In alarm, okay, you can see the add alarm button. And okay guys, to set the alarm, okay, you'll have to do is click the add alarm button. And okay guys, here you can see the time, okay, you can adjust by scrolling down or up on this time. And okay guys, so I set into 5 a.m. in the morning. And okay guys, you can also set the day. Okay, you can set into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. And also below, you can see the alarm sound. You can enable this, the vibration, and the snooze. And after that, okay, you can see the save button below. Okay, you'll have to do is click save button to save your alarm time. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the alarm clock on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.